This is room 437 at the Hilton Garden Inn, Silicon Valley, Milpitas. So you walk in the room, it's a king room. So on the left side, there's immediately a closet. And the closet has some shelves with wire baskets, which actually I really like because of lack of bed bugs. An iron and ironing board, and then also a suitcase holder. Then you go to the right, and here's the bathroom. So it's a standard tub. Turn on the light in here. So standard tub, shower head, the toilet, sink, hair dryer, and Neutrogena products. Big mirror, decent lighting. So then come back out here. And it's a little microwave, coffee maker, tea, and then a refrigerator that, oh, I'm gonna knock over my suitcase. So a refrigerator there. There's something in those drawers. Ice bucket, and then waters. Then a big, long desk shelf thing, and some cupboards underneath. Office chair, lots of outlets right here. Another chair in the back of the room, lots of outlets by the bed, and a nightlight and a side lamp. And then a king-size bed, and is there a top sheet at the Hilton Garden Inn? There is, oh, my favorite. Okay, also big screen TV, and then we look outside, and I have a feeling the view is the parking lot. It is. So you got the parking lot, some mountains, and in and out, which is totally why I booked this. A partial pool view. And yeah. So this is 437 at the Hilton Garden Inn in Milpitas.